Yo, what's up guys, this is Wally right here. Welcome to my kitchen. In this video I'm gonna show you how to make a leek soup. Okay, so let me show you what we need for this recipe. We have leek, carrot, zucchini, onion, potato, celery, and a little bit of parsley. Now it's time for cooking.
Of all the boys I've known, and I've known some, until I first met you I was lonesome. And when you came inside, dear, my heart grew light and this whole world seemed new to me. You're really swell, I have to admit you deserve expressions that really fit you. And so I've racked my brain hoping to explain all the things that you did to me. Amir Mr. Shane, please let me explain. Amir Mr. Shane means you're grand.
Meanwhile,
Wees er blij, daar no ma yay, no ma yay.
Amir Mr. Shane, again I'll explain. It means you're the fairest in the land. It means you're the fairest. It means you're the fairest. It means you're the fairest in the land.
Well, that's it, our soup is ready. Now I'm gonna taste it. Well, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel, press the like button and share this video with your friends. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.